Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Tuesday and it's the 21st of April 2020. Today we are going to answer the questions I gave you yesterday, and then also I will give you a task that you have to answer after or for today, a task for today. Okay, so first let me give you the learning target or your task. Okay, so for your task is you will be able to, or you can give the meaning of the word electricity. What is electricity? Okay, that is your assignment. So you will look it online, Google it up and say, what is electricity? Or if not, you can look at your book or in a dictionary and find the definition or the meaning of the word electricity. So yesterday I showed you a video about 3 birds and a cat, right? And it's about shadows. So again, what is a shadow? We all know that a shadow is an area, an area that with what is? It's dark, right? And then why it is dark? Because the source of light is blocked by an object. So something is blocking the light source. Okay, so we know that there are many sources of light. So when we say sources of light, it is the origin of the light. Or when we say light, it's like a bright glow that allows us to see. Okay, so let's review what are those sources of light. So this is lava, lightning, a jellyfish can produce its own light. We have the street lights or lamp posts. Street lights, but do you think they are natural source of light or artificial source of light? Torch, flashlight, fireflies, matches or match, stars, campfire, the sun, flame. A flame is a part of a fire. Fire is like a big, it includes the things that are burning, but flame is like the orange thing. We can also see flame if we're cooking like on the stove. The color, the fire that comes out from the stove is flame. Or even a candle. This one is the fire. You see, fire is like all the things that is burning, and the flames also, big flames. And then the lighter, light bulb. Do you think light bulb is a natural source of light or artificial source of light? What does it need to make it work? Let's find out. And then we have the fluorescent light. We have candle, fireworks, traffic lights, laptop, phone. So especially at nighttime, you can use your, if you turn on the screen of the laptop or a tab, it will allow you to what? It allows you to see in the dark, right? And that's it. Okay, so now let's go back to, so those are sources of light examples. So let's go back to, before I forgot, let's go back to the questions yesterday. So in the video, you see that the first question is, what happened to the birds or the animals when we first saw their shadow? At first they were like talking to, they're feeling like, oh, something is following you. Let's get it out, or let's get rid of it. But then even if the other bird was like trying to jump, but still the shadow is there. And then he said like, oh, you also have, something is following you too. So at first, what did you do? They were like scared, right? And then they ran away. And then the second question was that why is it that there is no shadow of the 3 animals when they are hiding under the tree? What happened? Because the shadow of the tree is bigger than them, or there is no light, right, that can give them the shadow, because if there's a light, they will be the object. But since the object, when they go into the under the sun, the object there now is the tree. Remember when the other bird was trying to go past the shadow of the tree, then he has a shadow, right? But when they go back into the tree, there's no shadow because there was no light, because the light was blocked by the tree, and the tree shadow covers the hides the animals. Okay, they were also covered. There's no sunlight that goes for the animals. But when the other animal tries to go, like here's the shadow of the tree, but then when one of the bird was trying to go over the shadow of the tree, then there was a shadow for that animal. Okay, so again, your assignment today is you are going to answer, what is electricity? Okay, so later on, teacher will also show you a video. I'm going to find it online about electricity for your guidance. Okay? Alright, that would be all. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you will have a wonderful Tuesday. Goodbye.